The most basic of biological principles on this earth is called biogenesis. And the definition of biogenesis is that life begets life. Living things provide life to other living things. Dead things cannot provide life to living things, obviously. For example, it takes a living mother to give birth to a living baby. But most of us don't think about this principle when it comes to what we eat. You see, we have to remember that our bodies are living organisms. And according to biogenesis, living food is the only way to provide life to that living organism. Now, on the surface, you may say, well, that's ridiculous. I've eaten cooked food my whole life and I'm still here. Yes, but if the human body is starved of raw living foods, it will respond with stress. And that stress leads to inflammation. And that inflammation leads to malfunctioning cells. And malfunctioning cells build up until we have symptoms of disease. So, is all cooked food bad? Well, of course not. But too much cooked food and not enough raw plant foods will put stress on your body because cooked foods have no life, no living enzymes to be specific. And enzymes that help to digest your food can come from only two places, raw food or your pancreas. Now, enzymes are proteins that break down food. When you eat a raw apple, for example, the living enzymes in that apple break down that apple with very little effort needed from the enzymes secreted from your pancreas. It's living food for a living body. But cooked foods do not have enzymes. Why? Because enzymes are very temperature sensitive. All enzymes die at just 122 degrees Fahrenheit. And most cooked foods are cooked at temperatures much higher than that. So without any enzymes of their own, the digestion of cooked food can only happen with enzymes from your pancreas. And just like wear and tear on any other part of the body, the more your body has to generate enzymes to digest food, the more stressed your body becomes. And that unnecessary stress can lead to cellular malfunction and ultimately serious disease. Fortunately, the antidote is obvious. Just get more living food into your body. Raw, whole, plant-based foods. I'll have more to share next time, but in the meantime, you can read all about this and many more topics in my latest book, Escape Route, The Secret Passage to Lifelong Wellness, available at arootAwakening.tv/escape.